Are you ready to transform your fitness journey? Smart rings are revolutionizing how we track our health and wellness. These tiny powerhouses pack incredible technology right on your finger. Today, we're counting down the top 5 smart rings that will change your life. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have an incredible smart ring that comes with its own charging case. This sleek device is perfect for anyone who wants comprehensive health tracking without the bulk of a smartwatch. It monitors your steps, distance, and calories burned throughout the day with impressive accuracy. The sleep tracking feature analyzes your sleep patterns and provides detailed insights to help you get better rest. What makes this ring special is its IP68 waterproof rating, meaning you can wear it while swimming, showering, or working out without any worries. The charging case ensures you never run out of battery, providing multiple charges on the go. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, syncing seamlessly with your smartphone. The ring is made from durable stainless steel with a comfortable silicone inner layer that feels great all day long. Perfect for gym sessions, cycling, swimming, or everyday wear. For the link, check the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, we're looking at a premium fitness tracker designed for serious health enthusiasts. This smart ring goes beyond basic step counting to provide comprehensive activity monitoring throughout your day. It tracks your distance, calories, active minutes, and exercise sessions automatically. The advanced sleep monitoring system breaks down your sleep stages, including deep sleep, light sleep, and REM cycles. It's compatible with major smartphone platforms, ensuring smooth data synchronization. The ring is incredibly comfortable to wear all day, making it ideal for continuous health monitoring. Its elegant design suits any occasion, whether you're at work, the gym, or a special event. Battery life is exceptional, lasting several days on a single charge. It's water resistant, so you don't need to remove it during daily activities. This ring makes an ideal gift for fitness lovers and health-conscious individuals. For the link, check the description and comments below. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is an innovative smart ring with built-in remote control capabilities. This device combines fitness tracking with smart home control features. The ring tracks your steps, distance, and exercise activities with precision sensors. Its sleep monitoring provides in-depth analysis of your sleep quality, helping you optimize rest patterns. What sets this ring apart is ultra-low power consumption, allowing extended use without recharging. The charging compartment is compact and portable, perfect for travelers. It's compatible with iPhone and Android devices. The ring features a stylish design that looks great at work, while exercising, or at home. The remote control function lets you control compatible smart devices with simple gestures. It's water-resistant and durable for everyday wear. This makes an excellent gift for tech enthusiasts and fitness lovers. For the link, check the description and comments below. Number 2. At number 2, we have a premium smart ring with 5 ATM waterproof rating. You can take it swimming, wear it in the ocean, or on water sports adventures without concerns. It features wireless fitness and sleep monitoring that works around the clock. Different battery capacities depending on size, 15 mAh for size 8 and 18 mAh for sizes 11 through 13. The Wave Photo feature lets you capture moments with a gesture. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last with an elegant appearance. It monitors essential health metrics including steps, distance, calories, and provides sleep analysis. Perfect for athletes, swimmers, and active lifestyles. Syncs with your smartphone for real-time data. Whether training or tracking wellness, this ring delivers exceptional performance. Makes a perfect gift for parties and holidays. For the link, check the description and comments below. Number 1. And finally, at number 1, the ultimate all-in-one smart ring, combining every feature you could want. Designed for both women and men who demand the best in health tracking. It monitors steps, sleep patterns, and exercise with incredible precision. IP68 waterproofing means wear it anywhere, anytime. Whether swimming, caught in rain, or washing dishes, it works flawlessly. The activity tracker provides comprehensive data on daily movements, helping achieve fitness goals faster. Fully compatible with iPhone and Android devices. Sleep tracking analyzes cycles and provides actionable insights for better rest. Charges wirelessly for convenience. Its sleek design looks fantastic on any finger and suits any style. Comfortable fit means you'll forget you're wearing it while it constantly monitors your health. Perfect gift for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any special occasion. For the link, check the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.